Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can manage a location info tag of your photos in the Samsung Galaxy A04S. So at the start, open the camera app, then go to the settings and look for the location tags. If you want to keep the localization in your photos, just switch it on, and other permissions, and of course if you want to turn it off, just leave it in the gray state of the switcher. And now if we take a photo, we can check the localization info in details, tap on edit, and how you can see there we have a no location information. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.